Welcome to the Institute's Leading Edge, a show dedicated to helping the automotive aftermarket service industry. Covering topics suggested by you, the listener, we dive into what's important, getting you what you need to succeed. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Institute's Leading Edge. Episode 72, right? We're on 72, not 73?
72.
72. And today we're going to be covering a shop story with Keith Brown. Reminder, if you're watching this, you're enjoying the content, make sure to like and maybe like our page, share this post if you enjoyed it, and follow us for more updates because we're always posting new content. Keith is from Tire World here in Utah. We've known Keith for quite some time. As we go through this, if you want to join in the discussion, we're going to be watching that live on Facebook so we can engage with you there as well. So if you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comment section down below. So Keith.
Yes, sir.
First, tell us about how you started in this industry.
Well, like a lot of us, we got into it young. My dad was in the military. I came back from overseas where I graduated high school, and I wanted to learn about cars. I started working in a gas station. I tell my kids, if you've ever watched Back to the Future, you see the Texaco station where the guys will run out in the white clothes and the hat and everything to service your car and fill it up and wash the windows. I was that guy without the white uniform, without the white hat, long hair. It was the 70s. But that's where I got into it. And I love taking care of customers and taking care of people and servicing them and helping them with problems. Did that for a little bit. And then I went to the community college in the Solano Community College in Sassoon, California, and got a 2-year certificate in car fixing. It's like I tell people now they have automotive sciences. When I did it, it was so long ago, it was actually called car voodoo. And so now I'm learning the science of the automotive repair. But did that for a number of years and relocated to Utah in '87 with my wife, who worked for Delta Airlines, and been here ever since, enjoying it. Went as a tech, went into management for a major corporation and found out major corporations don't care about people, and left and have been at Tire World now for 28 years.
So why is working in an independent, what values does that align with? Why is this working for you?
I think from the standpoint of contact, I'm a relationship person. I think most people who are in the automotive business, if they're successful, it's because of relationships that they build with their clients, their employees, things like that. And at the corporate level, that was lost. You were a number, easily replaceable. The relationship meant nothing. Your efforts meant nothing. It was all about the numbers. So going into this, we're a fairly large, independently owned facility because we have two sides. We have our industrial side that does commercial, medium truck, OTR, forklift, all that stuff. And they have the side that I manage, which is the automotive side, tires, and then we have full service automotive bays with some really great techs. We are once again for the third year in a row a AAA Top Shop nominee. Been on the Top Shop for the last 2 years, and I'm hoping that we're in there for a third year in a row. So I think the local, having the instantaneous feedback makes it a lot better position for me to see how to proceed in what we're doing. I've lost your sound.
Not hearing you, can't you mute?
Realized that.
Oops.
I've lost your sound again.
Stop muting me, Dad.
That one was me.
Oh, yeah.
I was trying to unmute it, but here we go.
Well, now I've lost my flow of questioning. I kind of want to talk about what your thought process is or was, your methodology, and kind of how that's changed over the years. So what were some of the main challenges that you had to overcome to get to where you are now?
I think having gotten into this industry in the 70s and like I said, being relationship based, basically at that point in time, as long as you had strong relationships and you did good business and took care of people, you could put money to the bottom line and take care of your staff. The industry and the technology has advanced so quickly that we in the industry need to look at that from a standpoint of how do we continue to take care of our people because expenses are up? And also realizing what our value is. I, like everybody else, it's easy not to change anything. It's easy to go with the status quo, but every day you fall farther behind.